The breath practice I'd like to share with you today is one of the most powerful I have ever learnt. I do it in every single one of my meditations, and it can help you truly and deeply relax and reach much deeper levels of presence. At the end of the video, I'll tell you the name of it and a little bit about the history, but I thought we could just jump straight into it. So this is going to be a guided meditation / breathwork session, and we're going to go through the 4 stages. And the 4th stage is when we truly drop into this form of breathing. I hope you enjoy your practice and it serves you. Keep coming back to this video as well, as you'll get deeper every time. So I'm standing in meditation today. You can be seated in whatever way you'd like. The invitation is for your spine to be long, the back of the neck to be long, with a slight tuck of the chin. And an invitation to close the eyes. Finding your breath, breathing in and out through your nose, starting with a balanced breath, breathing in, breathing out. Allowing the face to soften, relaxing the forehead, eyes, cheeks, and jaw. Feeling your whole face sink and unwind. Breathing down into the belly. Feeling your breath sink deep down into you. And arriving, dear friend, if there's any thinking, planning going on, invitation is to park it. You can always come back to it. For this practice, this is an opportunity for you to drop deep into being present with your own being. Slowing the breath. Being really attentive to every breath that comes in and out through your nose. And an invitation for us to share box breathing together. Breathing in for 4, 2, 3, 4. Holding the breath for 4, 2, 3, 4. Breathing out for 4, 2, 3, 4. Holding the breath out for 4, 2, 3, 4. Breathing in, softening the face. Holding the breath. Breathing out, nice and slow. Holding the breath out, softening into the hold. Breathing in silently. Can your breath be silent throughout every stage? Holding the breath. Breathing out silently through the nose. Holding the breath. Breathing in. How soft can you make this cycle? Holding the breath. Gentle breathing. Breathing out. Holding the breath out. Breathing in, dropping deeper into presence. Holding the breath. Breathing out. Holding the breath out. Last one, breathing in. Holding the breath. Breathing out. Holding the breath out. Continuing to breathe slow. How slow can you make your breath? And now, instead of holding the breath, it is a natural pause at the top and the bottom. Can you breathe so slowly you can barely perceive the air coming in and out through your nostrils? with a natural pause, the liminal space between yin and yang, inhale and exhale, to rest there, and then gently beginning your inhale or exhale. Seeing how slow you can make your breath. Can you breathe so slowly you can barely perceive the air coming in and out? Zero judgment if you can notice the breath coming in and out. This does take years to truly master. Simply inviting the slowest possible breath that you can do. Taoist True Breathing is where the breath is imperceptible, continuous, and natural. Imperceptible, can you breathe so slowly you can barely perceive your breath? Continuous, not holding, and natural. Moving to our fourth stage, letting go of control of the breath. If it speeds up, it speeds up. If it stays slow, it stays slow. Natural breathing now. Taoist True Breathing is imperceptible, continuous, and natural. Letting go of all control. Letting go of trying. Letting go of all concepts of meditation. Resting in spacious awareness. When you notice thinking, coming back to presence. No particular focus on anything. Resting. We're going to spend one more minute here. Can you drop deeper into presence? Letting go of all thoughts, all effort, resting with your breath, resting with the whole field of your awareness. And finding the movement of the air moving through your nostrils once more. Allowing your breath to slowly speed up. Bring some movement to the body, maybe some shoulder rolls. And coming back into our space together. So that was Taoist True Breathing, breathing so slow, your breath is imperceptible, breathing continuously and naturally. With those three elements, this is a powerful breathing practice for you to use in your meditations, also when you're lying in bed. Such a beautiful way to down-regulate your body and increase your energy. And if you want support to get deeper into Taoist meditation and breath work, I invite you to join Taoist Wellness Online. We have a completely free 4-week course, so you can get deeper completely for free. We also offer a free 7-day trial. So if it's not for you, you can always cancel. And there I can support you and guide you deeper into this practice. Otherwise, keep coming back to this video. We've got other videos here in a playlist and sending blessings for you to enjoy moving with your breath and moving through your life.